everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade raspberry vinaigrette salad dressing. It's my husband's favorite. Now I mix this up every day for him fresh when we have a salad, and I'm going to have the recipe in the description box below, and I'll have an expanded version as well. But this is what I do, and it does not take much effort to put it together each and every time I make a salad. In this small bowl, I always keep some frozen raspberries in the freezer on hand for this. And in a small bowl, I put equivalent to, you see I've got a lot of pieces here, equivalent to about 8 raspberries. Now this is for one serving, okay? Just one serving. And for this little bowl, it covers the bottom and then some. So that's about right. And I would say it's probably about 1/4 of a cup. Maybe a tiny bit less than that. About that much. And then I have some pink Himalayan sea salt. And I'm just using a teaspoon here. This is not rocket science. It doesn't have to be exact. And I've got roughly 1/4 to 1/3 of a teaspoon in there. And then this is just pure cane sugar. That's why it's a little dark. And I've got a teaspoon of sugar. And again, you don't have to worry about getting a measuring spoon out on this. Now, I put that together. Then I just let it sit and allow these berries to thaw out as I make the salad. So now I'm going to turn off the camera and go make the salad, and then I will finish this out. Alright, my salads are made, and you can see my husband's ginormous meal salad right here. It is a big salad. So now that gave the raspberries enough time to thaw out. And so the next step is just to take this spoon and mash up the raspberries. Now this is really not a hard thing to do. And again, I'm going to have the complete recipe below in the description box, and I will have an expanded version because I know people like different amounts of dressings. This makes a fair amount of dressing, a good amount for one serving. Probably not as much as a lot of people would like on that size of a salad, but he does not eat a huge amount of dressing on his salads, especially considering the size. Okay, so now that the raspberries are mashed up, I'm taking just a tablespoon. It doesn't have to be an exact measuring spoon. And I'm going to put 1 tablespoonful of wine vinegar in there, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Set that there. And so then all I do is just stir this up. Now oil and vinegar, we know, don't mix all that well. The oil is going to rise to the top, and so this doesn't blend extremely well, which is typical of an oil and vinegar dressing. There's no emulsifier in here. It's all natural. So all I do is just take the spoon and just drizzle it over the salad. And then he will take a spoon and a fork and kind of toss it up just a little bit to help disperse that dressing down into the salad some. But anyway, it's really good. He likes this. This is his way. The amount of salt, the amount of sugar you add can be to taste, the amount that you want. And if you want to increase the volume, no issue. You can do that, or you can use less. Make it your way. Give this a try sometime. It's passed the husband test. I hope you enjoy it. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Have a great day.